Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm Gohasher introduces our news of products on my right hand, the Slashy machine 2 compartments 1. Now let me give you the measurements first. The unit's entire length is about 18 inches wide, and the overall height is about 32 inches, and the overall depth about 21 inches. So as we can see, the top is a lid. We can just simply open it. They come in with the LED lights inside of the units. And they have two spin rooms. And for each compartment, they handling about 12 liters. And they do have a handlebar dispenser at the front. You can put it. And also we're having the small trays at the bottoms. They have a right port right here. When this tray is full, it will float to the top. That time you need to know to clean the tray. Also, this unit is coming with standard 110 plugs, and they do have a sanitation stickers at behind, all the caches information details behind. And on the side of the units, we do have a controllers. The board right here, they're having the two dispensers for the temperatures and the function setups and the powers and the lights. Everything is easy to control right here. And that's what with all information about the products. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.